Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max heating issue. If your iPhone 15 Pro Max is experiencing heating issue, there are several steps you can take to address the problem. In this video I will give you some potential solution from which you can fix your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max from getting heated. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is remove the case. Sometimes using a case can trap heat, contribute to overheating. Try removing the case of your iPhone 15 and see if the temperature decreases. If this doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is close background apps. Running multiple apps in the background can cause your iPhone 15 to heat up. Close any unnecessary app by swiping up from the down of your screen, and if you see any app is consuming your battery, simply close them. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is limit your background processes. Go to the settings, go to general, tap on background app refresh, and disable it for apps that don't need to refresh in the background. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include bug fixes and optimization that can help with performance and temperature issues. So you have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating the software version and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check your battery usage. You have to go back and then go to the battery, tap on battery to check which apps are using the most battery. If you notice a particular app consuming a significant amount, consider updating or installing it. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to turn off location services. Some apps use location services which can contribute to heating. You have to go to the settings and go to privacy and security, then tap on location services, and then you have to do is simply disable it. Tap and turn it off. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi password and wallpaper. So simply you have to simply scroll up and tap on the general, then scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Sorry, to your passcode. Tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone 15 from getting heated up. If this video helps, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.